Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign fam King Mix Up, it's not credible and I don't know the thing set already. A 2 and a 1 and I get another package on your side. Unruly Squid, wows up. Yes, wows up a Dovey Magnum in defense of her brother Popcorn. And if one thing Popcorn has to know out there is his sister, his blood, definitely has his back. Why? You see what I'm saying? Also, Jamil is out here stealing content from his co-workers. And I'm not talking his MVP co-workers. I'm talking about his dancehall peers. Insidious. And the proof is in the pudding. Or I should say the proof is in the lyrics. You see what I'm saying? But before we get into all of that, I'm needing to hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell. I run your son to get the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossip.
Nice blood clot. Teeth want clean every fucking month. You stink no blood clot. I want a backside. No music not playing on this on the done track. Hello. What's the remote, yeah? So we can't have serious? You can't dance to, you know, me tell her.
I can't, but me not dance at all. I am not a dancer, though. Me I control this whole thing, so who never dance?
We can not make you heard what your brother is singing.
Hello, please play VVIP. I want no bitches wind up themselves so I can watch. I like to watch bitches whine.
Alright, Pimp Daddy. Easy, Pimp Daddy.
Boy, before I let them finish watching some more snippets of that live, let them explain what's going on. I don't know if they was all chilling in the same hotel room. You know, Stylish is an entertainer. She's just coming out of her car accident. You know, she was an entertainer as well, Dovey. And you know, Squid out here doing the works. Business we so I don't know why all of them was cooped up in one room, but they looked like they was all having fun. And I guess the saying is true, you know. No more than one girl or bitch should be in the house at one time, because they went from 0 to 100 real quick. You see what I'm saying? They went from teaching each other how to suck their man's dick into defending family and not wanting to wind up for this member. So before we get into the insidious part, let me let you know watch a little bit more of the clip because I just can't just leave it just like that. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man, bless.
So when I bag, the see you come with bag. Why I bag?
I'm a man things. She want to buy good things.
The good things.
No lie, she tells guys she don't buy nothing for me. A problem in
No,
this.
I want brassiere, my bag. Show them my parachute. She lucky because we're just.
What else they buy?
No, my
What
brass
else? Let me should buy this for.
No, my brass strap pop on the road. So Mr.
What else in that?
Some of my man.
And what else in that?
One sneakers.
So the thing that in there, look at
Bitch,
vibrator.
see, you really got to buy nothing at all like this.
This is so cute. The good things, them. Don't be buy your
Dog.
When I like to drink wine, that's a back stopper. And a fucking.
This.
Say thank you, Jesus. Me get a bling bling, bitch.
Me like drink wine, so me use this to drink.
No, you don't use it. Tell them. What me about introduce it better.
Introduce it better.
Listen.
Introduce it better.
She love for. We are tattoo TV. She like for drink wine, so I'm go in a ras. Come a brassiere strap pop on the road a while ago. I'm go in a ras. I buy one brassiere. I'm see this. I'm say this cutie. Squid love for drink wine, so she can use this oat our dandy shot. What's up with your name?
Moscato.
One whatever.
Thank you, friend.
And then she use this cute stuff to stick it in the bottle.
Thank you, friend.
And you understand? Pretty nice stuff.
Just give me my gift. Thank you, friend.
Jesus Christ. So you
get Christmas gift from Dobby. Thank you, friend. Cause me's a wine girl. Me love
Say,
it.
them a deal with the body in here.
You see, that's Oh, say now fuck me and fuck squid.
Yeah.
But one time,
Hello.
when I found a while ago, what happened? You know, I'm one
People keep on
This is
saying
cute, right?
Yeah.
Dobby, oh God, I'm saying so thoughtful.
Right now. Dobby, it's not thoughtful.
Give them a give her a kiss.
Give her a
Only
kiss.
not to remember done. But that's
Thank
what
you,
we
baby.
But that's why, when she go a while ago, and we keep squid come.
Cause me had a spoiled friend, you know, so these bitches are the spoiler bitch.
So what keep over yourself?
They call me a teacher because
Well, you just so me had a spoiled friend, so we have to spoil a bitch. Spoil a bitch.
Eh? Let's do it. You know me.
Oh, sorry.
Me have to come back. Me and your friend have a problem.
Me alive, man. Nobody laugh at me.
Nobody not laugh. No, man. Everybody probably live a friend. They don't laugh at me.
I love them ever chat to Dobby and Dobby not pay them no.
Yo, alright. Yo, you know them somebody there where I don't tell you drip them in the eye, them be like, my eye, nobody not drip them my eye. Them eye just a juky in the she better make nothing but out of it.
Show me I'm gonna make Dobby go on the spot.
How y'all doing?
They're gonna play a ball out. I'm
That's
gonna
even like a song there.
Which song you like? Which song you like?
I like dung in my throat and my nose.
Oh, yeah, Tasha, give me a lesson to you. Hello. Find Dobby.
Shanaki. Man, I have no makeup, no lashes. I'm not like wear them ear. When you see when you have them ear, you don't have them something, they look dirty.
What am I like? I like it rough on my life. I'm for stylish life.
Don't sing the hit song there. Bang, bang. Sasha dream ear, you know, send me some ear. You would have there, Sasha, but you don't know how to do makeup. I see me, la Sasha, me for fly, come, put on my wig. Yes, Sasha, no, me love me could help you with wig, but not makeup. So when I can't get book, I need one money to take care of the two things. Sasha say, oh God, next time.
TV for life. So they don't know something.
Me love you too, Shana.
Dirty money, so we wash it, make it clean. You hear me, I say no, man? You want some artist boy love me style, you hear that? Someone to come and talk about dirty money, wash it, make it clean. Someone need for low man style and go find an owner style and come out a man style. Because I realize so now go on like so now see man thing, you know. You see me I say, go on like you know one deny man thing to a warm too, you know. Couple million pan the tube, ecstasy, drugs. Try you know that. Suck your mother and come out of my style, rasta you. Chew it.
Done. Money on top of money. My turn a little in a couple mil. And if I make some dirty money, wash it down, make it clean. Oh, that shine on Chris, dog. Oh, that clip the long, so. Yeah, how much for the night? 32 in a this, 32 in a this. Telescope, we no miss 32. What? Dirty money, so wash it, make it clean. 32 in the magazine.
Jano. People, I don't know what else to say by now. MVP is known as NV Thieves. You know what I mean? And for Jamil for really be looking for content from other artists to show you him just a flap himself being a part of this group, you know? Him just stick to the conscious tunes them and load this street image, this thuggish image, this bad man image to the real thugs them, like Insidious. Cause you hear in the verse or the chorus, everything is identical. Everything is identical. And him don't hear Insidious song because if these people listen to vloggers, they're definitely listening to their peers to see what they're going on with, what they're saying, what them can teep, what them can remix. Chano and Yamil, Chano. Now we have to scrutinize every single one of your lyrics. You see what I say? So people, let me know what you think about this one in the comment section. You see me? So yeah, let's give me that quick update. Squid and Dovey fiasco, and then Insidious is calling out Jamil as a thief. So hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bless.